Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your Discord link not expired. So in this case, you have to open your Discord first. After login, choose one server you want to send link. Then go to the top of that server name. Click on and you'll find here invite people. Click on invite people, and if you scroll down, sorry, not scroll down, you'll find here your Discord invitation links. If you want this link not to be expired, click here invite, edit invite link, this one, the blue button, and you'll find here expire after uh, this slide, and you can find never. Click on never, and now generate a new link. Now this, copy this link, and this link will never expire. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.